Hello and welcome to GetAssist English. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Facebook features which has been introduced recently. So what are the Facebook new features and also the features of messengers that has been introduced very nearly within 2 or 3 months and we are not aware of it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the very first feature, that is, you can edit the sent messages. Yes, you have heard it right. So likewise WhatsApp, now we can also edit the messages, the sent messages on Facebook Messenger, and this is very easy. So for doing this, you need to simply hold on to the message and tap on edit button. Through this, you can edit any messages that you have been already sent on the Messenger. Number 2. Now Facebook has introduced the new policy of Facebook monetization. Through this, you can earn more and more money and within the easy process. So for this, we will make a dedicated video to explain you the new policy of Facebook. So if you want to know the details of Facebook monetization policy that has been introduced recently by Facebook or by Meta, comment us below so that I can make the dedicated video on updated monetization policy of Facebook. Number 3. This feature has been introduced on Instagram as well, and now this feature is also available on Facebook. So the feature is, now you can edit the background of any story you have posted. Likewise you do on the Instagram. What we used to do before, if we are sharing any photos or post, the background came as default, but now you can edit the background as well. So these are the 3 amazing features of Facebook that has been introduced by Meta in 2023. And there are many more features which is going to be introduced by Meta in 2024. So I'll make a video on that as well. Before that, like this video, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.